The Clarke CON14 Contractor 14-inch professional abrasive cut-off saw is designed for tough daily workshop or on-site trade use. This robust and powerful high-speed saw slices quickly and cleanly through ferrous metal bar, tube and profile up to 8.5 inches or 220 millimeters wide. Don't struggle with a hacksaw. The CON14 will cut quickly, cleanly and accurately every time. The powerful 2,400 watt motor spins at 3,800 RPM off-load, cutting through stock like a hot knife through butter, quickly preparing material for your construction projects. The CON14 comes complete with an abrasive cutting disc and a holding vise. Suitable cutting discs are of the commonly available 355mm diameter. The vise is adjustable up to 45 degrees using the handy accurate scale to simply enable cutting at an angle. Round stock of up to 125mm diameter can be cut, as well as angle stock up to 140 by 140mm. Remember to always use the appropriate personal protective equipment whenever operating machinery, all of which is available from your local Clarke stockist. The CON14 includes full safety guarding and incorporates a convenient carry handle. It will give you many years of great service.